Digital First Studio. I wanted to get a look at your forecast for you as we continue throughout this beautiful Saturday that we're having out there across parts of central Alabama, including right here in Birmingham. No places really right now are even seeing clouds. So I hope you're getting outside, enjoying this beautiful alert forecast. For your weather headlines, we are tracking some isolated showers and storms in northwestern Alabama this evening, but something else we're tracking is our mostly dry and beautiful Sunday that we've got ahead. Still a 20% chance of some showers and storms into the afternoon, but we'll get into that a little bit more. We've got more rain chances and even storm chances continuing throughout the middle of the week and even to end out this coming work week as well. But as we look out right now, live on Birmingham, we have no clouds to note right here up near Vulcan Park. It's beautiful. Temperatures in the low 90s, dew point in the 60s. So we've got a lot more drier air after that cold front moved through. So that's what's brought that humidity down so much. And it feels a lot more comfortable outside than all of the brutal humidity we had throughout the past week. Those current temperatures are also showing that. You could see a lot of spots in the low 90s as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon and evening. 93 here in Birmingham, 97 in Tuscaloosa, Utah 99, Pell City 93. So a lot of spots are sitting in the low 90s, and we're feeling like the mid to upper 90s again for parts of this afternoon. So we feel a few degrees warmer than what we're actually seeing with that air temperature, but the triple digits have stayed pretty close to the western part of the state. So we're not seeing it as much here in central Alabama, but as you extend to our far western counties, could see some triple digit feels like temperatures over there throughout the rest of this evening and even throughout parts of tomorrow. But again, I mentioned that cold front made its way through. That's what brought us some of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms into yesterday evening. Right now we're sitting clear though. Look at that. Barely any clouds across parts of central Alabama as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon and evening. Besides, of course, the scattered showers and storms we're tracking in northwestern Alabama throughout the later parts of tonight. So that muggy meter has decreased quite a bit throughout the weekend. You can see we're going to be in the mid to upper 60s for that dew point. But as we extend towards the rest of the week, it goes right back up to the summertime moisture that we usually have in the air, that typical August feel. So I did mention we are tracking some possible strong to even severe storms in the northwestern part of the state. We do have a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center into this evening. Main threats for any storm that does pop up is just going to be damaging wind gusts, frequent lightning, and of course heavy rain. But over the next 24 hours, we are tracking that chance into the overnight. So as you can see us time that out, it's a small chance, but again, it's still there. And of course, we kept that 20% chance for some rain into tomorrow just because it is going to be sunny. It's going to be afternoon, and usually in the summertime we can get those pop-up showers and storms with the daytime heating. So of course, just keep that in mind. We want to give you the first alert because as you head out the door tomorrow, it's going to be sunny, especially in the early parts of the morning. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s starting out your day, but as we go throughout the afternoon, we're increasing into the 90s, but that chance for rain does increase slightly just to 20%. So it's not going to be a washout by any means. We just want to make sure you know we could see a pop-up shower or two in two parts of the afternoon. Something we know for sure throughout the week though is we're going to be right around average. Our average for this time of year sitting right at 90 degrees. We're going to be really close to that as we go throughout the rest of this week. So going to feel like our typical mid to end of August feel here in Birmingham and central Alabama. I did mention we do have some possibilities for rain and storms throughout the middle of the week. We've got two boundaries that are going to situate to our west and our east, and what that's going to do is going to give us a setup to just keep giving us rounds and rounds of showers and storms. By the time we get to Wednesday, Tuesday, and even Thursday, we've got a front moving through on Thursday into Friday, which is also going to increase those shower and storm chances as well. So it's of course something we're continuing to monitor for you guys. There's that front into parts of Thursday. So it's going to, give us that increased rain chance as we go throughout the rest of the weekend, which is exactly why we have that 60% chance for showers and storms Wednesday into Thursday. But of course, we'll continue to have updates for you right here on WBRC 6 News. I'm again First Alert Meteorologist Carlin McCreary. We're going to be live tonight, so be sure to catch us live on TV this evening. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one.